So I thought, okay, perhaps he's a prophet. But then, of course, it shot to my head and said, if you say there is just one God and Muhammad is his messenger, that's practically shahada. And I thought, oh, that's something I don't want. That's still, I didn't want to be a Muslim. I thought that's impressive, man, like the concept, but that's it. And because while I was writing my book, there were a lot of other books on the table, and I put all my books away, and books fell from the shelf because it was full of books. And one of the books that fell was the Quran. And when I picked it up, my thumb was on it because it fell open. And I picked it up, and when I turned it around, it was on Surah 22, Ayat 46, and it said, when you translate it into English, it's not the eyes that are blind, but the hearts. And I thought to myself, yeah, that's really is my problem, because I really could see what I had written down myself. Nobody forced me to write that book. These are the facts, but I still cannot accept Islam. So it's not a problem of knowledge, it's not a problem of facts, it's something else. It's a problem of the heart, it's almost emotional, I don't know. And then I did like a little dua. So I said, Lord, I don't care if it's a God from Christianity or Islam, give me a sign or something. What I did was going to bed, but the next morning when I woke up, I felt very secure and I felt very calm and at ease. And then I told my wife, I think I'll be Muslim.